Good morning. Today you join me on this foggy and freezing morning. There's my brother's car just there. Can't really see it. I've got my hat on. It's bloody cold, but today what we are doing is fitting these bigger Focus ST brakes to the C30. I absolutely fried mine the other day. There was smoke coming off them. I'll put a clip in now. Hot boys. Shit. That wasn't good. I had to get recovered home, and now the car's on ramps with the wheels off. So we need to get these painted nice and red. I've got some paint. We're going to do that first, clean them all up, and then get them on. So these are the brakes. They are off Focus ST 225. So they come out of the factory with obviously 225 horsepower, which is kind of what my C30 is running now. So these will be perfect. I've heard good things about them. They've got plenty of life left in the pads. We're just going to run these for now, and the discs that came with it, because, well, I've ordered more, but obviously they won't get here in time, and I need my car. So we're going to put these on first, run them till my new ones get here, then we'll swap them out. To start, we're going to take this off. We're going to get the wire brush out, clean them up, get all the shit off them, and then paint them nice and red, let them set for a day, and get them on for tomorrow. Just finished prepping the one. I'll show you now. As you can see, stripped it down. So take that bit out, 2 pads. I've brake cleaned it, wire brush and filed. So as you just saw, second caliper's apart now. Going to clean that one up, like that one, and then we can start painting. Hello again, you join me at AirTech. We're currently fixing these up, rebuilding them. So pads in, brackets in, so they're done, ready to go on. I'll just flip you around. So these are coming off, as you can see. These absolutely, I don't know if you can see how bad they are, but there's some big lips in there. Absolutely nothing left on that brake pad, so that's not good. Let's check the other side. There's a bit left on there. But yeah, so these are going to come off in a minute. These are going on, they're looking pretty beefy now. Sound. Just going to put these in. What you got to do? I'm going to do 1, 2 bolts. Where is it there? And they'll just, caliper will come off, easy. So I've just got the old pads off, and there's absolutely nothing left on this one. Fuck. Whoops. So they're the old ones, they're the new ones that are going on. Obviously you can see the size difference. all the cars in the air. I'm gonna put a new one of these on because I ripped that off the other day and it looks shit. So I'm gonna take that off and then got a new one to put on. So take them off and then we'll put the fresh one on now. Brakes are on, looking pretty good. Obviously got the standard discs for now. So much more beefy. Just been for a little test drive and they're feeling good. So job well done, I think. Yes, so just finished doing the brakes. They feel fine. I haven't crashed yet, so they obviously do work. I just took it to Matt Lewis Motorsport and asked them to check it over. He said, yeah, that's all fine. Brakes feel nice and sharp, so we're good to go. Successful caliper install. Let's just give it a send. Yo! That's so much better. Jeez. Alright, sick. So that's another job done. Also got the lip fitted because obviously I ripped that off, and I got the new boost cage holder fitted. Wasn't that interesting? Just rewind it and I'll pull the wires through and now it's sorted, so that's good. Right, so we just got back. This is the new lip I forgot to show you yesterday. But yeah, obviously nice and fresh. Bumpers all chipped, but oh well. And this is what the brakes look like behind the wheel. Looking pretty beefy, to be fair. Loving it. So car's all clean now as well. Looking fresh on the drive, and there's my brother's looking absolutely filthy. State of that. Dead. Peg. If you enjoyed the video, if you like seeing me do these little mods or repairs or whatever, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to, comment if you want to as well. I'll leave a link to my Instagram just here, so you can go follow me, see all like behind the scenes and whatever, just random stories and shit. So yeah, sound. I will see you all in the next video.